doesn't want the best for their child? Selecting a college and going to college is probably one of the most important decisions of their life. It's all in the hands of the college admissions, and it's nice having College Coach there to help. The College Coach advisor really drove the process. On that first meeting with our advisor, I felt a partnership. My son trusted his advisor. He told him about his goals and dreams, and he always came out with a smile on his face and say, hey, I think I want to look at this school, or I think I want to visit this school. I didn't think about this one before. So it just thrilled us. The College Coach advisor was an impartial professional who read the essays, who looked at hundreds and thousands of applicants and knew what they were looking for. It was nice to be able to breathe this time. There was somebody else behind the scenes, so the pressure wasn't all on us. You're talking about your child, your most precious thing in the world. Why wouldn't you want to give them the best opportunity to achieve their dream and to go to the school of their dream?